Hello, beautiful people. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 5 stunning colors that can replace black and elevate your elegance in 2024. Get ready to discover how these colors can enhance your style in a sophisticated and impactful way. Black may be the epitome of elegance, but sometimes a little change is just what we need. Are you ready to meet the trendiest and most stylish colors of this year? These colors will breathe new life into your wardrobe and set you apart from the crowd. One of the best ways to express yourself and elevate your style is by making the right color choices. Our first color is sage green. This color symbolizes tranquility and calm. It's as sophisticated and elegant as black. It's a great choice for business meetings or formal events. Sage green catches everyone's attention and instantly makes you more striking. Our second color is earth tones. These colors are known for their natural and elegant feel. They maintain the classic and elegant air of black while adding warmth and simplicity. With earth-toned outfits, you will always look noble and attractive. Our third color is ivory. This color, a symbol of elegance and simplicity, can be worn comfortably in any season. Ivory brightens your complexion and provides a sophisticated look. Our fourth color is gray. It's the most sophisticated of the neutral tones and as versatile as black. Gray is an excellent choice for days when you want to look professional. Our final color is lavender. This elegant and romantic shade is a soft yet effective alternative to black. Lavender brings a sense of freshness and renewal, especially in the spring and summer months. It's a color that will make you feel like you're living in a fairy tale. By adding these colors to your wardrobe, you'll not only enhance your elegance, but also discover new ways to express yourself. Remember, each of you has a unique and special style. Use these colors to find and shine your own elegance and sophistication. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me for more fashion and style tips. Take care and see you in the next video. Goodbye.